We are pleased to show you the 2007 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, rear seat entertainment system, cruise control, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.